I also wanted to show you the pictures of the cows and oxen who lived or still live in Krishna Valley. All of them has their names under the photo, as you can see. There are dozens of fortunate cows of Krishna living in Krishna Valley. And up there are the oxen. Some of them are already left their bodies. And I also wanted to show you this sculpture titled Karma, which shows what happens when somebody hurts a cow and slaughters them. It's quite obvious that in their next life they will be also slaughtered. And here we can see all the auspicious thing that comes from goshala, or the service of the cow. Here and behind the door as well, but I can't close it now. But there are quotations from the Shastra, holy scriptures, explaining why it's auspicious to serve the cows and what is the benediction coming from goshala. Up there we can see a very old pictures from the early days. And here we have the cow protection program. Every devotee can join, and also non-devotees. They can help with donating money or offering service to the goshala, to the cows. Another old picture. This one also. And let's go back to the temple.